Hey, what is going on, everybody? In this video, we are covering one of the most exciting cards in the crypto space right now. It is the Crypto.com Metal Visa card. All of the wonderful benefits that you will receive with having this card. So let's just jump right into it. All right, let's start off by opening our Android device or Apple device and downloading the app. Go ahead and type in crypto. It should be one of the first ones that pop up, crypto.com. And since I already have it installed, I will go ahead and open it. Now, if you've never used the crypto.com app before, you can use my referral link down in the description of this video or at the top of your screen right now, and you will get a free $25 when you sign up for a Ruby Red card or above, which we will cover in just a moment. So now that you got the first step out of the way in downloading the Crypto.com app, we're going to go ahead and head over to the website to cover the Crypto.com Metal Visa card tiers. So that way you get a good idea of which tier is right for you. So overall, you can see that there are 5 tiers of the Metal Visa card starting on the right side, and going left, the tiers get better. We're going to ignore this Midnight Blue card since it's a 1% cashback card and gets none of the card benefits. And we're going to jump over to the Ruby Steel card, which you can see is a 2% card and starts earning card benefits. So in order to get started with a Metal Visa card, you will have to invest one of these amounts into the Crypto.com native token named CRO, starting at $400 with the Ruby Steel card, $4,000 for the Royal Indigo or Jade Green card, $40,000 with the Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White, or if you're absolutely insane, you can invest $400,000 in the Obsidian card. Now, what I mean by investing that money into the Crypto.com, you're not actually spending that amount. You're investing like you would into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency out there. You're just having to lock up that amount for a period of 6 months. So to give you an example of this, let's go ahead and take the price of Crow, which is currently sitting just about 55 cents. So in order to stake for that $400 Ruby Red card, we will go ahead and take $400, divide that by 55 cents, and you will receive just about 727 of Crypto.com's native token, CRO. So let's go ahead and head back over to Crypto.com's website. Now that we've staked for the $400 US on the Crypto.com app, we will now start to earn 2% cash back on all of our purchases. Now, when I say all purchases, this includes anything where a debit card is accepted. In addition, we will also receive a 100% reimbursement on our Spotify account. So in order to receive your 100% reimbursement with your Crypto.com app, you must open Spotify, go to settings and go to your premium plan, and make sure that you are paying for your individual plan with your Crypto.com Visa card. So there is one caveat for the Spotify reimbursement and any other reimbursement that you see in the card benefits down below. You do receive that reimbursement in the form of CRO. So essentially, you are not getting fiat currency reimbursed back to your account, but you are getting more CRO. So to give you an example of what the rewards would look like for having a Ruby Steel card and carrying that for a year, on top of the 2% cash back that you receive on all your purchases, you also receive that 100% reimbursement. If we do $9.99, which is how much a Spotify membership costs, times 12 months, you are getting $119.88 in CRO reimbursements alone, on top of 2% cash back for any purchases that you make. So you can see how the rewards would start to stack up, and if the price of CRO increases over time, which I think it will, you are bound to benefit from the rewards. So of course you can calculate the rewards. If you get a higher tier other than the Ruby Steel card, you can see that we start to get Netflix reimbursements and Prime memberships as we move left into these higher tier cards. Now, what if I told you that this was just the tip of the iceberg for the perks that you get with the Crypto.com metal Visa card? Well, if we go to the top of the web page here and go to products, they have a thing called Crypto Earn. So if we scroll down, you can see that you can earn up to 14.5% on your crypto. And investigating further, we can earn up to 8.5% on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and up to 14% on our USDC. So how exactly can we start to earn these crazy, insane amounts on your stagnant crypto? So let's jump back into the Cryptocom app and go to accounts. And in this tab, you will notice all of the cryptos that I'm currently earning rewards on. So if we go to Crypto Earn, you will notice that I'm getting 12% price action on my Matic, 6% on my Crow, 3% on my Cardano, and 3% on VeChain, all locked up for a 3-month period. So I did lock up my cryptocurrency for a period of 3 months in order to earn these rewards. However, you can choose to lock up your crypto for 1 month or have it be flexible. Now, when you do a smaller period, the rewards do change. So I'm not doing anything with my cryptocurrency currently. I'm not selling it. I'm not trading it. So 3 months is going to get me the best price action on my stagnant crypto. Now, I know we've been talking about the Ruby Red card for pretty much this entire video, but I do have the Jade Green card and all of the benefits that come with it, including the Netflix reimbursement, as well as the higher rewards for my cashback Crow. So which of these cards should you get? And really the answer to that question depends on how much you are willing to invest up front. For me, I didn't mind investing $4,000 of my own money because I believe in CRO and what Crypto.com is doing as a whole. And I like the fact that I'm getting my Spotify and Netflix reimbursed monthly. So if you are on the fence about getting a Crypto.com metal Visa card, I would absolutely recommend it if you believe in the crypto space and you believe what Crypto.com is currently trying to accomplish. To quickly give you an idea of what Crypto.com has invested in thus far, they've spent $700 million to rename the Staples Center. And if you didn't already know, this is where the Lakers currently play basketball and the venue hosts other large events. And basketball is not the only sport that Crypto.com has partnered with. They've also partnered with the UFC. And last but not least, Matt Damon, known around the world, has started to film commercials for Crypto.com that are airing on TV today. So if this video helped you decide to get a Crypto.com metal Visa card, please hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way with growing the channel. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you all for watching.